Hi, repeated multiplication. Let us do the fifth worksheet. What are prime numbers? The numbers having only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. For example, factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Only two factors, 1 and the number itself. And 3, 1 and the number itself. Only two factors. And how will you find out the prime numbers between 1 and 30? Let us use the sieve of Eratosthenes. First consider this one. 1 is having only one factor, so it is neither prime nor composite. 2 is the smallest prime number. It is the only even prime number. Then the other multiples of 2 are 4, strike off, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. These numbers are having more than 2 factors. Next, consider the prime number 3. The other multiples of 3 are 9, 6 is already striked off, then 9, then 12, 15, then 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Then 5. Multiples of 5 are 10, 15, 20, 25 only we have to strike off. Okay. And 6 are 36, so we can stop here. Now the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. The numbers which are not striked off. 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. So these are the prime numbers between 1 and 30. The first activity is prime factorization. Write each of the following numbers as the product of the powers of prime numbers. Now we have seen which are prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. So 72 we have to write as the product of the powers of prime numbers. So 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 8 into 9. 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. 9 means 3 into 3. So this is equal to 2 cube into 3 square. Similarly, 36. We can use this method also. In this method, we can write 36 is equal to 4 9s are 36. 4 is equal to 2 into 2. 9, 3 into 3. Here it is all right. Here 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Okay. So it is 2 square into 3 square. In this method, how will you do? Divide this 36 by 2. 3 by 2. 1. 1, 2 is 2. Carry 1. Then 16. 16. 8 2s are 16. Then 18. Again 2. Even number. So we can divide it by 2. 9 2s are 18. Then this is not an even number. So consider next prime number 3. 3 3s are 9. So 36 can be written as the same way. 2 square into 3 square. And 225. Here this is ending in 5. So 5 is a factor. So we can write it as 4 5s are 20. Carry 2. 25. 5 5s are 25. Again 45. 5 is a factor. 9 5s are 45. Then 3 3s are 9. If you are first dividing it by 3, then also it is alright. You can see 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. The sum of the digits equal to 9. So 3 is a factor. You can divide it by 3 first. Then also you will get the same result as 3 square into 5 square. Okay. Do it. Try it yourself. Yes. Next one is 750. Divide and get the answer. and 500, 784 and 1024. Be familiar with the multiplication table, practice it daily, then only you will be able to do all these problems. Then next one is product law, multiplication rule. X raised to m into, the first rule is x raised to m into x raised to n is equal to x raised to m plus n for all numbers x and for all natural numbers m and n. Try the problems given below using this idea. 2 cubed into 2 raised to 5 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 times into 2 multiplied by 2 5 times. So this is 2 raised to 8. And here 3 square into 3 raised to 5. 3 multiplied by 3 2 times into 3 multiplied by 3 5 times. 2 plus 5 7 times. So 3 raised to 7. X raised to 7. What power of 2 is got by multiplying 2 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 3? 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 3 is 2 raised to 8. The power of 2 is 8. What is the number 10 square into 10 raised to 5 in ordinary language? 10 square into 10 raised to 5 is 10 raised to 2 plus 5, that is 10 raised to 7, 1 followed by 7 zeros. How will you read this number? Indian system of numbers, we have written 1 crore. Where will you put these commas? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then 1 crore. In international system of numbers, it is ones, tens, hundreds, comma. Then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, again comma. Then million, 10 million. So it is 10 million. What power of 2 is twice 2 raised to 10? It is 2 into 2 raised to 10 is equal to 2 raised to 1 plus 10. Simply 2 means 2 power 1. 2 power 1 plus 10 is equal to 2 raised to 11. What must be added to 2 raised to 10 to get 2 raised to 11? Here we have just seen 2 into 2 raised to 10 is 2 raised to 11. That is 2 times 2 raised to 10 is 2 raised to 11. Don't follow? See, 2 into 3 is equal to 3 plus 3. 2 threes are 6. Okay, 3 plus 3 is equal to 2 into 3. 2 into 5 is 5 added to 5. 2 into 5, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. Similarly, 2 into x. 2 into any number is equal to that number plus again that number. Here 2 raised to 11 is 2 raised to 10 plus 2 raised to 10. So 2 raised to 10 must be added to 2 raised to 10 to get 2 raised to 11. What must be added to 3 raised to 10 to get 3 raised to 11? 3 raised to 11 is equal to 3 into 3 raised to 10. So 3 raised to 10 added 3 times. So 3 raised to 10 plus 2 times 3 raised to 10 is 3 raised to 11. So it is 2 into 3 raised to 10 must be added to 3 raised to 10 to get 3 raised to 11. The third activity is, the table below gives some powers of 2. Using this, compute these products. The example given is 4 into 8. 4 is equal to 2 square. 8 is equal to 2 cube. Then 2 square into 2 cube is equal to x raised to m into x raised to n is equal to x raised to m plus n. So it is 2 raised to 2 plus 3. 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32. Similarly, the first question is 16 into 64. 16, 2 raised to 4. 64, 2 raised to 6. Then again, see, x raised to m into x raised to n is equal to x raised to m plus n. Learn this as a formula. And here it is 2 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 6 is equal to 2 raised to 10. 2 raised to 10 is 1024. Similarly, do the other ones also. 32 into 512 is 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 9 is equal to 2 raised to 14, 16,384. 64 into 256 is equal to 2 raised to 6 into 2 power 8 is equal to 2 power 14. Again 16,384. Then 128 into 256 is equal to 2 raised to 7 into 2 power 8 is equal to 2 raised to 15 is equal to 32,768. Okay, thank you. Bye.